Hello and welcome back to the Pennies-AI tutorial series. This time we're going to be talking about your profile and the options that are inside there. So we'll go to More, Profile. Think of this page more as Profile plus Settings. So we have all the stuff we put in when we registered the account, and then we have some extra options. You can set up a color for positive values and negative values. Maybe you're red, green, colorblind, and you want to change these from green and red. You have lots of different options. Show all accounts will show accounts even if they're hidden, which you can set as an option when you create the account or edit. Sound effects and animations we aren't doing yet, but you can check those if you want to hear them and see them when we do create them. Show totals. So you can hide the totals and your net worth from the accounts list and the transaction views. So if you wanted to show someone your app, but you didn't want them to see your net worth and things like that, you can uncheck that box and then it won't show those totals. Now, shares and account worth, that's talking about account sharing. So if you want to see other people's shares in your net worth, then you can leave that box checked. Otherwise, uncheck it. Here's a situation. I share a bunch of accounts with my wife. I don't want to see her shares in my net worth, but she will want to see my shares in her net worth. That's because she doesn't have any accounts that she created herself. She uses all of mine. So that box will help as you get into account sharing. So you can show the negative sign on negative values instead of just a color for a negative value. You can opt out of optional emails. We don't send any optional emails right now, but if we had a newsletter or things like that, that's where you can do that. You can override your cookie settings, and you can show your new user health. So checking that box will show that account setup box that we had after we registered that we didn't really cover, but we're going to cover in the next video. So I'm going to go ahead and check that, save it, and close. And this is where we'll start on part 5. Thanks.